Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another type of listing, that is nothing but description list. So what is this description list? In our HTML text formatting or something like that, in our list video, we have already seen the different type of lists that are supported in the HTML. We have seen that is nothing but unordered list and also the ordered list. These two things we have already seen. Now the HTML, the HTML has another type of list, that is nothing but description list. So this description list is rarely used, occasionally used. So let's try to see about this one, what it is and how we can write this one. We have already learned to mark up the basic lists in the HTML. So those are nothing but unordered list and the ordered list. But we didn't mention the third type of list you will occasionally come across, that is called as description list. So let's try to see this one. The purpose of these lists is to mark up a set of items and their associated descriptions, such as terms and definitions or questions and answers. So where we will be trying to use this one is in order to mention the terms and definitions or questions and answers like this. If you want to give anything, so we will use this type of description list. Description lists use a different wrapper than the other list types, that is DL. That is nothing but description list. So instead of using UL and OL, we use the DL. In addition, each term is wrapped in a DT. So each term is wrapped in a DT, description term element, and each description for the term is wrapped in a DD, that is nothing but description definition element. So like this we will be using. So here we are using three things. There we will be using only UL and LI or OL and LI for unordered and the ordered list respectively. But here we will be using DL, which is a description list, DT, which is a description term, and DD, which is a description definition. So let's try to see this one in the practical implementation. So I will show you how it will be. So here I am creating a new file, description list.html. Okay. So this is the thing I am trying to write. Here I will having HTML5. So I am copying and pasting the code. So instead of writing these all things, afterwards we will try to see. So here I have copied from the internet. So this is the description DL and DT. So now if you try to see here, the first we have opened the DL element and the second one we are having inside this one DT. So here you are having a description definition, and also here we are having again one DT, and here we are having a description followed by a description DD, and here again we are having a DT and followed by a DD. Let's try to see this output. So how it will look like. So if you try to see this one, so open with live server. Now here the output will look something like this. Okay. So the browser default styles will be displayed description list with the description indented somewhat with the terms. So here it is somewhat with indented with the terms. So this is how we will be able to see. This is the description term and this is the description definition. So like this you will be able to see the output. So for example, if you say that if you have multiple descriptions for one term. So for example, for one term if you have multiple descriptions means it is also permitted. So it is also permitted to have a single term with a multiple descriptions. For example, let's try to see. I will try to show you that one also. So here I am copying this one and I am pasting at the bottom so that you will be able to see. Here we are having a DL description list and here we are having a DT aside, and we are having two description definition for a description term. So let's try to see the output, how it will look like. If you try to see the output, see for this aside, for this description term, you are having two definitions. Okay. So this is also, this is how you can use the multiple terms for this one. Okay. So this is what about the description list, description definition and the description term. Hope you understood about this description list. So these are very occasionally, rarely we will be using. So where we will be using is to tell the information about this one. Something like what I can say is question and answers. So like this, when you are using, you can use this description list and the description terms. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.